Today, we are diving into something that is, frankly, straight out of science fiction. We're talking about a new kind of technology, materials that could literally help our bodies rebuild themselves from the inside out. It's pretty incredible stuff.
But let's start with a question that, a lot of us have probably asked ourselves at some point. Why is it that certain injuries, that bad knee from years ago, or a hurt back, why do they seem to linger forever and just never, ever fully heal?
Well, the answer really gets down to a fundamental challenge. Our bodies are amazing healing machines, for sure, but even they have their limits, especially when it comes to certain kinds of tissues. So let's take a look at two major problem areas: the cartilage in our joints and the discs that cushion our spine. The big reason they struggle so much to heal is because they're what's called avascular, and that's just a fancy way of saying they don't have a direct blood supply. No blood flow means no nutrients, no repair cells, basically no way to fix the damage.
And the result of that? Well, it's something millions of people know all too well. It's chronic pain, it's stiffness, and it's a slow, steady degeneration that can just get worse and worse over time. And this is exactly why we so desperately need a whole new approach.
So let's meet the hero of our story today. This absolutely amazing material that acts like a kind of smart scaffold, something engineered to work with our bodies to finally get past these healing roadblocks. It's called a hydrogel, and a good way to think about it is like a biological construction scaffold. It's this 3D network of polymer chains that can absorb a huge amount of water, which makes its texture and its feel almost identical to our own natural tissues. But we're not talking about simple blobs of jello here. These things are smart. Why? Well, for one, they're mostly water, so our bodies don't reject them. They can be injected as a liquid, and then they solidify right in the spot where you need them, creating a perfect scaffold for new cells to move in and grow. Plus, they can carry therapeutic cargo. We're talking cells or drugs, and they can even be designed to respond to your body's own biological signals. So that's the theory. How does this actually work in the real world? Let's go right back to that problem of damaged cartilage and see this technology in action. The process is actually pretty straightforward. First, doctors identify the defect, the tear or hole. Second, they inject a liquid hydrogel that's been preloaded with healthy new cartilage cells. Third, right inside that hole, the hydrogel solidifies, forming that perfect scaffold we talked about. And finally, step 4, those new cells get to work. They use the scaffold as a framework to build a brand new, healthy cartilage matrix. It's literally like paving over a pothole, but on a cellular level. Okay, so that's tissue repair. But what about tackling a completely different kind of challenge? I'm talking about managing a chronic disease, something like diabetes. The goal here is just incredibly ambitious. The idea is to create a system that can release insulin all on its own whenever it's needed, basically to mimic exactly what a healthy pancreas does. If this works, it could mean the end of constant monitoring and injections for millions of people. The solution is what's called a closed-loop system, where the smart hydrogel acts as both the sensor and the delivery device. So check this out. When your blood sugar gets too high, an enzyme inside the gel turns that extra sugar into a very mild acid. Now, the hydrogel is engineered to swell up in response to that acid, opening up its pores. This allows the insulin that's trapped inside to escape and do its job. Then, as the insulin lowers your blood sugar, the acid level drops, the gel shrinks back down, and the insulin release just stops, automatically. It's this elegant, self-regulating little biological machine. All right, now for what might be the biggest challenge of them all: trying to repair a heart after a massive heart attack. This is a situation where, for a long time, the damage has been considered completely irreversible. So what's the plan? A single hydrogel injection that's been engineered to fight the problem on multiple fronts at the exact same time. It's not just one tool for one job, it's more like a whole support system for that failing heart. First off, it offers pure mechanical support. You see, after a heart attack, the damaged wall of the heart gets thin, and it can stretch out, which is really dangerous. Injecting the hydrogel physically thickens that wall back up, acting as this crucial structural support. Second, it's a delivery vehicle for cells. The environment inside a heart right after an attack is incredibly harsh and inflamed. So by carrying therapeutic stem cells inside the gel, we can protect them, almost like a bodyguard, which dramatically improves their chances of survival and helps them stay right where they need to be to do their repair work. Third, the hydrogel is like a tiny internal pharmacy.
It can be loaded up with molecules like growth factors that get released slowly over time. These molecules can encourage new blood vessels to form and help reduce inflammation, which helps the heart heal itself from the inside. And finally, and this part is just amazing, special hydrogels can actually be made to be electrically conductive. Scar tissue from a heart attack doesn't conduct electricity well, and that can cause life-threatening heart rhythm problems or arrhythmias. These conductive gels can literally form a bridge across the scar tissue, helping the heart's electrical signals travel correctly and restoring a normal, healthy rhythm. So when you step back and look at it, from rebuilding joints and spines to creating a kind of artificial pancreas to providing this multi-level support system for a failing heart, the versatility of this technology is just staggering. What we are really witnessing here is a fundamental shift in medicine. These smart hydrogels are giving doctors a brand new, powerful toolkit for regeneration, and they're taking ideas that were once pure science fiction and turning them into actual medical reality. And that really leaves us with a pretty profound question to think about. We have always just accepted that certain types of damage to our bodies are permanent. But what if they're not? What if the word irreversible was no longer part of our medical vocabulary?